All right, we're gonna take pictures of this Lambo. Pretty sure this guy's local to me, but just using the CPL again. It's a black car, so CPL is really needed. I'll take a picture with and then without, just to show you. And actually I'll do one better. I'll take a video and spin it so you guys can see what happens with and without a CPL. It's very crucial to get one. All right, so it's dark outside now, so having a full frame is gonna help me a lot. The CPL is really saving this sunshine though. Headlights are so nice on this thing. Just patience is everything. I got a picture of the Challenger that was in the back. That's funny. All right. Just make sure you get some close-ups. Wheels, make sure you get some detail shots. Just good old stuff here. We can actually even do one. We can incorporate both of these cars. We can come over here and get a shot of the front. Wait for the car to pass. Bam, now we got a picture of the Lambo. Focused on one, focused on the other. And then we can actually reverse it. Oh, let's do one thing here. Let's get the Lambo emblem. Oh, we got this, got the lights. So we'll have to edit out the lights. Anyways, that should be it. Pretty simple. We'll do one right here. We'll use this. There we go. All right, so they're calling finalists for the roll racing. So I'm gonna get my ass up there and go get some more videos and stuff, guys. I'll check y'all out when I get there.